Bam! 5 diddles. It is a rudiment I use way too much. Way too much. I kind of use it to cheat into triplets because the 5 to me, it's got a cool feeling where it feels like a triplet, but it's kind of straight. Let's get into it. Yeah! Now the cool thing about this is it is very right hand oriented, which can let you be a little sneaky and being a little lazy with your left hand. That is not always the case because we're gonna get a little in depth with this. What a lot of people I teach when I'm teaching the 5, university. I kind of stole that one from, I think it was Penny Grab. University, university, university. Right, left, right, right, left. Start again. Okay, so when you get into the recurrence of that, it's gonna be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left. We're going to accent the last left and accent the very first note. So it's going to look like this. You want to build that left hand, this is how to do it. Done with paradiddles, done with doubles. This literally takes on both dynamics, doubles, control, and left hand leading. Left, right, left, left, right, and then start again. Let's start with something simple. Let's do the hi-hats. So you're gonna put both hands on the hi-hats and you're gonna play a kick on the 1 and the 3 and then put your snare on the 2 and the 4. Still gonna be doing 5-note subdivisions and you're going to be just doing a simple groove of boom, ka, boom, ka. If you find it a little too hard in the beginning, I would suggest first starting out with your snare being on the 2 and the 4, and then just add the kick in gradually just to ease yourself into it. So I like to switch in the accent and then one without the accent. So let's make up a few full ideas. I'm gonna go with a few concepts. Obvious one for most people is you're gonna be literally just running around the kit. This is a great way just to kind of get ideas. So switch on the click, just kind of move your right hand around. It's just to get your left hand into the ghost notes. I'm gonna go into a few more ideas just in terms of the fills, and then you can actually see what you can do. Let's just run a few grooves with a few loops. These loops all for Mahala. That means free. So part 1 of this is done. I know that this is kind of a little bit of a part 1, 2, 3, 4 million number. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button. And also, if you don't mind, drop a little comment, be like, sup, yo man. I was thinking about that paradiddle and I didn't like it so much because it was a 5. I hate the number 5. It's unlucky to me. University, 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 university.